Hi, hello, and a warm welcome. Here's your Holger from Joachim in the GoldenEye Training Center, and I want to share with you some very good news. First of all, thank you for the year 2018. It was super interesting, it was super crazy. It was our 20th anniversary this year, and GoldenEye has received 2 #1 places for Best Micropigmentation Method in Germany and the Best Innovation Company in the field of micropigmentation. So double one, yippee! Thank you for being part of this. Now also in 2018 we have changed and modified some characteristics of our Coloressense pigment colors. First of all, it was possible to change the ingredients to be able to increase the number of pigments that we can put into each color. So they are more covering, they are stronger, they are even more luminous. Also some small modifications I have done in the meaning of the range of colors. But most important, now finally it is possible that not you as a micropigmentation artist has to follow the characteristics of the color. We have changed it around now. We can influence the color in exactly the way like you want to work, and I would like to explain that to you now briefly on the board. First of all, the classic Coloressense color, the pigment, if you use that pure, just like that, out from the bottle, is a perfect covering, filling, extreme color to create, for example, lipstick effect, full covered eyebrow effect, or the strongest eyeliner that you can do. And therefore, this color, you can only use it just like that, shake it well before you put it in your ring pot, and that is best to use with applicator 3, 5, 5 LPMC and applicator 7. The moment you're working with smaller applicators, let's say micro 1 nano, the #1 needle, for the finest lines, outer contour of the lips, finest hairlines, for different artistic eyebrow designs. This is when a pigment should be more liquid. And usually if we mix it with water or saline lotion, we have the problem that the pigment would sink inside the ring pot. So slowly but surely during the work, the color becomes more and more transparent. Not if you use our new Easyflow. Easyflow is a perfect liquid that comes together with the Coloressense pigment. If you mix those two, still the pigment will flow inside the mixture, the color becomes more liquid. So for all fine line work, you want to add for 7 drops, 1 drop of Easyflow. If you use 15 drops of pigment, you would add 2 drops of Easyflow without losing any coverage capacity. So in this way you have the full cover effect, but the color goes much more easy into the line that you want to create. Now, some of you might like to use more powder effects. Some of you might like to work with small needles, but very quick hand movements to create powder effects, which is beautiful in the candy lip technique, to create all these cloudy, beautiful, glossy kind of lips without a sharp contour, powdery eyebrows, urban eyeshadows. Those kind of techniques, they are more easy to apply once your pigment is more oily. So to create a more oily pigment, we need a texture with more glycerin, a texture with more oils, and also due to the quick movements of our hand, we would need some more healing capacity inside the mixture. And this is when you want to use Skintop. So for approximately 10 drops of color, you can add 2 or even 3 drops of Skintop, then also the color will be a little bit more transparent. And with the quick movements, the color already helps the skin to prevent from healing. It helps the skin to heal more quickly. And the color really becomes beautiful, powdery, still crispy, so you can see even in weeks very small particles of powder. the most beautiful technique. So we have one pigment and different ways of using just by adding, modifying liquids. You will love it, I'm sure. If you have any more questions, just let us know. You can write me at holger@goldeneye.de, or you just download our files with the training material, and there you will find all the informations. If not, just let me know. Enjoy your work, successful and always beautiful people. Bye.